A very good afternoon to all of you. I hope all of you have good health and spirits. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Please wait all the students and let them join the other student. Wait for a moment. I am going to start for this particular lecture. This is for this particular examination. Wait for a moment. Wait for a moment. Hadi Alam, yes, good afternoon. Good afternoon, Hadi Alam. Wait for a moment. Please share the link. Please share the link in the group. Please share the link in the group. Then student can join. Then student can join. Yes, Shahalom. Very good afternoon, Shahalom. Shahalom, very good afternoon, Shahalom. Wait for a moment. I'm going to start this particular lecture for Neet physics preparation tips. Neet physics preparation tips. Please send the link to the group. Then student can join in the live session. Wait for a moment to join the student. Let them join the group. Let them join. Send the link in the group. How many of you are present right now? How many of you are present right now? Please comment on the comment box. Write down as a SP, write down SP. Ask the student to join in the live session. Ask the student to join in the live session. Send the link in the group. Send the link in the group. Yes, how many of you are present right now? Write down P. Write down P. Yes, Zarifa Siddika. Yes, Zarifa Siddika. Zarifa Siddika is present right now. Hadi Alam is also present, I think. Shah Alam is also present right now. Wait for a moment. I will start the class. Before start the class, let them join the other student. Yes, FacTech 20. Hello sir. Yes, Mubashir has also already joined. Mubashir has already joined. Yes. Good afternoon, Mubashir. Good afternoon, Mubashir. Tell in the group and send the link. Mubashir, send the link to the other student. Then they can join in the group. Please ask the student to join the live session. And all the students will ask all the other students to join in the live session. I'm going to start this particular lecture here. This is a very important session for all of you. This will help. This particular lecture will help all the other students for how to prepare for this examination, like in medical entrance, that is NEET examination. Okay, wait for that particular moment. I'm going to start this particular session for all of you. This is very helpful session. Each and every morning I come to the live session, and on that particular session I have been discussing about 12 physics book. Tomorrow morning 10 o'clock I shall do another class. Each and every day I will try to do the class. Let them join the other student. How many of you are present right now? Yes. Technical AVD. Can I know your name? Technical AVD. Yes. Good afternoon. Technical AVD. Good afternoon. Can I know your name? I sent the link in WhatsApp group. Yes, thank you Mubashir, thank you. Wait for the moment for this particular lecture. I am going to start this particular lecture for your preparation of NEET examination, and this particular session will help all of you. And I think all of you are preparing for the NEET examination, and also for board examination. Those who have already passed, or those who have already appeared HS final examination, don't worry, this particular session will help all of those. Okay, technical ability, Zerifa. How many of you are present right now? Please write down present. Please write down present or P. Please write down present or P. যিসকলে উপস্থিত আছা তোমালোকে পি বুলি লিখা yes Abdul Salam is present right now yes Abdul Salam is Farhana fact Mubashir present আছে Jerifa present আছে technical ability also present right now and many more write down I have already seen here you can see in the screen আৰু কোন আছে লাইনত আৰু কোন আছে কমেন্ট বক্সত কমেন্ট লিখা টাইপ কৰি যাব লাগিব তোমালোকে মোৰ লগত টাইপ কৰি যাব লাগিব আৰু দেন the session will help all of you right don't worry I'll be doing for all of you this particular session and each and every day I come on this particular platform that is YouTube channel right ask the student to join this particular session within 1 or 2 minutes within 1-2 minutes I'll be starting this particular session can you see me can you hear me क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं क्या आप मुझे देख सकते हैं at this particular time can you see me can you hear me those students who are already in live don't worry wait for a moment I am going to start this particular session then this is very important session for all of you বাকি ষ্টুডেন্ট সকলকো তোমালোকে জয়েন কৰিব কোৱা সোনকালে মই সেশন ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিম মাজৰ পৰা আহিলে হয়তো অকমান বুজি পাত অসুবিধা হ'ব let them join the other student let them join the other student join Hari student don't worry wait for a moment we are waiting for the other student Okay, how many of you are present right now? I am going to start this particular session within 1 or 2 minutes. I am going to start this particular session within 1 or 2 minutes. Yes, Mubashir, very good. Mubashir is present right now. Okay, let's get started. First of all, again, I would like to request all of you, please comment how many of you are present right now. Write down SP. যিসকলে উপস্থিত আছে পি বুলি লিখা, যিসকলে উপস্থিত আছে পি বুলি লিখা। Yes, Farhana উপস্থিত আছে, she is present right now. Jarifa is also present right now. Mubashir is also present right now. And many more. Okay, let's get started for this particular session. Okay, see here, this is I have already written here for all of you. This is you can see, this is Neet physics preparation tips, right? Neet physics preparation tips, right? Okay, before we start this session, I would like to mention a few points. Before we start this particular session, I would like to mention a few points which will help all of you. Okay, hi students, this is, you can see here, this is me. And also I am teaching on Unacademy, which is the India's largest learning platform. I am teaching, you can see here, this is Unacademy. I have already wear this particular dress, that is Unacademy dress. Okay, so it's me, this is Romejul Akhtar. If you want to know about this Unacademy, what you will have to do, we have to download this particular app, Unacademy learning app from Google Play Store, right? Whenever you will download this particular Unacademy learning app, then you will have to put your contact number, then automatically it will resolve and you can enter in the particular site, right? Then definitely you can notice I have already uploaded so many courses there. You will not get only my course, there are so many teachers are present there, right? So this is all about this Unacademy introduction. Now you can see here, this is Romejul's UPSC IIT JEE Neet TET. This is my YouTube channel name. Okay, so you will have to search this name, Romejul's UPSC IIT JEE Neet TET YouTube. This is my YouTube channel name. You have to search there, and please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon. Then whatever course I will be taking in this particular platform, then you can see, all of you can see, right? And do not forget to hit the like button, right? You can see here a little bit network problem we are getting. Don't worry. Conducting body is nothing but NTA, and which is known as National Testing Agency, right? Next, see here, Neet examination is conducted all over the India, right? And this is the examination which is conducted by NTA, and where you will get, yes, definitely all about the syllabus. You will have to go to this particular website. It is because they may change within a short period. We don't know about it, right? So here you can see this biology, 360 marks are asked from this particular subject, and chemistry 180 marks are asked from this particular subject, and 180 marks from particular subject physics, right? So this is the initial condition of this particular examination. Next, see what are the syllabus of this particular examination. Whatever syllabus you have already read in 11th class, and whatever syllabus you have already read in the 12th class, that is the syllabus about this particular examination. And 11 NEET examination, right? I am not going to read all the chapters name, I mean all the topic name. So whatever, whenever you will get the time, then what you will do, you will have to see this particular video again, right? So this is the syllabus. So those who have already appeared ACS examination, they have already found these points, and those who are going to appear this particular session, I mean 12 examination, then they will read higher secondary, secondary. These are the chapters. So I mean, I can say easily that these are the particular syllabus for NEET examination, right? So this is for physics syllabus. So therefore, if one student can read easily, if one student can very thoroughly in 11th class and 12th class, then he can easily crack this particular examination, NEET examination, right? Next see here, in this particular point you can see here, their mode of the examination. This is not online, this is offline examination, right? This is offline examination, and examination duration is 3 hours. Total number of questions which are asked from this part in this particular examination, that is 180 numbers questions are asked. Next, question type, this is objective type and multiple choice question, right? And subjects are asked, which I have already mentioned in the last slide, that is physics, chemistry, biology, and biology is nothing but botany and zoology. कोई मिलेगा आपको कितना मार्क मिलेगा? 720 मार्क मिलेगा आपको ना. So therefore you will get 720 marks in this particular examination. Please comment in the comment box. Can you see me? Can you hear me? I would like to see how many of you are present right now. Sarjina Parmin is present right now. Very good afternoon, Sarjina. How many of you are present right now? Please comment. Yes, Zarifa Siddiqui is also present right now. Very good. Yes, Farhana is also present right now. Very good. Umed Ali, yes, he's also present right now. Umed Ali, very good afternoon, Umed. How many of you are present right now? Please comment in the comment box. Then I can easily understand. Yes, you are right, present. A little bit network issue is there. Hadi Alam is present right now. Hadi Alam is present right now. Very good. Okay. Now I have already told about the nature of this particular examination. Whatever I have already told you, that therefore this is offline examination, and examination duration is 3 hours. Total number of questions are asked 180, multiple choice questions, and this is objective type pattern, and subject which are asked in this particular examination: physics, chemistry, biology, that is botany and zoology, and 720 marks are asked from in this particular examination, right? Next, come to this particular point. This is very important slide. This is very important slide for all of you. This is very important slide. See here, mechanics questions in this particular, that means weightage of this particular section is mechanics is 35%. You can see here 35%. The weightage of heat is 9%. Simple harmonic motion and wave is 7%. Electrodynamics is 27%. Optics is 11%, and modern physics and electronics is 11%. Therefore, whatever weightage in this particular examination, I have already mentioned all those here. You can notice very carefully that mechanics, therefore 27%, you can see here 27%, you are noticing, right? 27% it is from electrodynamics in the sense electrostatics and electrodynamics. I mean, you can say from chapter number 1 to chapter number 8 for class 12, right? So this is all about this statistics of this particular examination for physics subject. Okay, next, come to the next slide. This is very important slide for all of you. Can you see this particular slide? This is book list. Can you see this particular slide? Write down in the comment box. Can you see me? Can you hear me? Can you see me? Can you hear me? क्या आप सुन सकते हैं? क्या आप मुझे देख सकते हैं? Yes, Farhana is telling yes, very good Farhana, and many other more. Zarifa Siddiqui is telling yes, very good Zarifa, very good Zarifa. And all the other student, hi student, please try to comment. So here you can see the book list for physics. Yes, Rahul Amin is telling hi. Yes, hi Rahul, you are present right now. Okay, very good afternoon Rahul. Now look here, I have already mentioned a few books here. Sarjina Parveen is also present right now. Very good afternoon Sarjina. Okay, you can see here the first book list which I have already mentioned, which I have already written here. This is very important book for your competitive examination, and this book will not only help in your competitive examination but also in your future life. Whenever you will pass this particular examination, ASS examination, then this book will help you in BSc, MSc level, also in engineering level also. Right, and this book is very important, and this is a very good book. I am telling you, this is very good book. That is Concept of Physics by A.C. Verma. Concept of Physics by A.C. Verma. There are 2 volumes in this particular book. You will get volume 1 and volume 2, and especially this is like this particular book. You can see here this. Concept of Physics by A.C. Verma. This is very good book, right? So you will have to buy this particular book. I am recommending you. Don't worry. You will have to buy this particular book, and definitely it will help you. Okay. Next, number two. Number 2 is Objective Physics by Professor Satya Prakash. Arya. Yes, this is MTG Publishers. And number third book is Concept of Competition Physics for CBSE PMT by Agarwal, and number 4 is NCERT Physics by Anil Agarwal. Okay, these are the very important book. What you will have to do, Concept of Physics AC Verma, this you will have to buy. You will have to buy and you have to read from the preface to last phase, right? And both the volumes you will have to read. So this is all about the book list of, this is all about the book list for NEET examination for physics subject. Next, come to the next point. So this is for chemistry. This is for chemistry. You can ask your teacher also, and definitely he will mention you all the books which are relevant for your examination. But even though I am getting, these are very important book for your NEET examination. This is number 1 book, you can see here, Physical Chemistry by O.P. Tendon, and another one is here. Another number 2 book is Objective Chemistry, set of 3 volumes. This is S. Dinesh. And number 3 is Modern ABC Chemistry Part 1 and Part 2. And number 4 is Organic Chemistry by Himanshu Pandey, GRB publication. These are the books which I have already found very good. Even though before buy to this particular book, what you will have to do, you will have to ask your teacher, and he will definitely tell you which are the relevant for your examination. I have found this very good, right? And these have been recommended in different website. This is the book list for biology. This is the book list for biology. Number 1, Modern ABC of Biology for 11th and 12th, B.B. Arora and A.K. Sabharwal, modern publisher. Number 2 is Exploring Biology Volume 1 and Volume 2, Sanjay Sharma, Sudhakar Banerjee. This is Aryan publication. Number 3 is Objective Biology Volume 1 to 3, K. Bhatia and Dinesh publications. And number 4 is, yes, Umed Ali is telling Modern ABC to both Bali. Yes, definitely. Number 4 is Medical Entrance Biology Volume 1, Volume 2 and Volume 3. Mamata R. Solanki and Lolit Ghotik. Yes, this is Target publication. These are the book which I have found very important. I mean, these are the book which I have found very good for your examination point of view, this NEET examination. Even though before buy to this particular book, you will ask to your teacher, and definitely he will recommend you which are the relevant book for your for this NEET examination, right? Okay, top tips for using NEET books. Top tips. This is very important. Can you see me? Can you hear me? First of all, can you see me? Can you hear me? My another question to all of you. Please comment in the comment box. Yes, Sarjina Parmin is telling yes. Very good, Sarjina. Yes, Farhana is telling yes, sir. Very good. Okay, now look here. Top tips for using NEET books. Begin with NCERT NEET books, and then move on the others. First of all, you will have to read the NCERT book. After that, you can read Concept of Physics AC Verma. Number 2, read NCERT as well as other reference NEET books page to page. Number 3, no matter how long the syllabus, don't indulge in the selective study. Number 4, attempt as many as mock tests. This is very important. Mock test. Right. And number 5, make time and evaluate your performance in the end. Right. These are the very important points. Next, come to the next point. This is very important. Learn formulas. Formulas are backbone of physics. Physics is very important, and physics is one of the tough subject as students are concerned. Why they are taking physics as one of the tough subject? Why? It is because they could not remember all the formulas. That is why what you will have to do, you will have to learning formulas is the most important steps while preparing for NEET physics. Try to learn those formulas daily. Which formulas are relevant for your examination, you will have to read again and again, and you have to revise all those. Make a small diary and write all the physics formulas for NEET. Now you just need to revise those formulas daily, once or twice a day. Have you understood this particular slide? What I have already told you, physics is considered one of the tough subject from NEET syllabus. But don't worry, it is one of the easiest subject, right? Why I'm telling so? Why? It is because you will have to write down all the formulas, you will have to write down all the important points in your diary. Are you getting my point? What I'm telling all of you, you have to write down all those. You can see here I have already written there. You will have to write down all the important formulas in a small diary. You can see here, small diary, right? And you have to revise those. You can see here, you have to revise those daily, once or twice in a day, right? You will have to revise all those at least twice in a day, otherwise you will forget. That is why we are considering physics as one of the toughest subject. Don't think like. Next, clear your concept. According to previous year question paper, this is very important. Mechanics, heat and thermodynamics, electrodynamics, modern physics are the most important topics in NEET physics. So for your physics preparation, you must first clear the concept related to these topics. Once you clear all those concepts, you are now ready to follow the next step. You will have to see, I'm telling you, you will have to see the previous year question paper. First of all, you will have to see the previous year question paper, and from that particular syllabus you can notice there mechanics is very important. Then you will get heat and thermodynamics is very important, electrodynamics is also important, and modern physics is also important. These are the important section for NEET examination, right? After that, whenever you will clear all these concepts, then you have to go the next step, the next syllabus. So this is all about this particular lecture. This is the particular lecture. Now you can ask your question. If you have any question, you can ask me. Whatever question you have, you can ask me. I am here, you can ask the question, whatever question is coming in your mind. Otherwise, I will end the session. Whatever questions are coming in your mind, don't hesitate to ask me. How many of you are present right now? Please write down present, or yes sir, or anything. How many of you are present right now? How many of you are present right now? Yes, Rahul Amin is present right now. Very good. Rahul Aman is present right now. And many more. Please write down in the comment box. Yes, Harjana Parme is also present right now. Umaid Ali is also present right now. Yes, Pratashi Sharma. Yes, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon, Pratashi Sharma. Very good afternoon. Whatever questions are coming in your mind, you can ask in this particular platform. Whatever questions I have already finished all the slides. I can repeat all the slides again. You can see here these are the slides I have already covered. From here I have started the session and I have already discussed all these slides. These are the slides I have already covered. If you have joined late, then you can see the recorded session. Anyone have any question, you can ask in the comment box related to this NEET examination. And I have already told you the sources also. I mean the book list. Here you can see the book list. This is for physics. This is for physics. This is the slide for physics. These are the books for physics. Right. Next, this is for chemistry. This is for chemistry. Next, this is for biology. This is for biology. Wait, this is for biology. Sorry. This is for biology. If you have any question, you can ask. If you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll end the session here. Sir, NEET examination of physics or previous year question repeat hoy na? Farhana, question will not be repeated. Right, question will not be repeated. Even though if you can see the book. I have one book I want to show you. For example, you can see this particular book. Can you see this particular book, Farhana? Can you see this particular book? You can buy this particular book. This is the book you can buy. You can buy this particular book. You can buy this particular book. This will help you. You will get here. Okay. So here you can see almost 2019 up to 1988 to 2018. I have this, and you will get this particular book in the market. So therefore, here you can see chapter is all the questions. Even though I have not seen such kind of questions were repeated. Questions were not repeated in the earlier time. Even though, for example, if you will consider one chapter, say, yes, name of the book you see, NEET AMT chapter wise solution, MTG publication, NEET AMT chapter wise solution. I can write down the name of the book. You can write down MTG publication, MTG publication, right? And NEET APMT chapter wise solution. Name of the book is NEET Learn Digitally. Very nice. Learn Digitally. Actually, Learn Digitally is he has one channel. He has one channel, Learn Digitally. He have already joined with us. His name is Abul Kashem. Very good afternoon, Abul Kashem sir. Very good afternoon, Abul Kashem sir. That is from Learn Digitally. What, Umed Ali, I have not got your point. I have not got your point. Please repeat the point again. Please repeat the point. If anyone have any question, can ask related to this particular session. I have already ended all the slides. You can see the recorded session after this particular lecture. So I am discussing about this particular examination, Neet physics preparation tips. If anyone have any question, can ask. Yes, thank you, Learn Digitally, Abul Kashem sir, thank you. This is all about. Anyone have any question? Otherwise, I will end the session here. Anyone have any question? You can ask. Otherwise, I will end the session here. How many of you are present right now? Please comment in the comment box. How many of you are present right now? Comment right in the comment box. Yes, Farhana is present right now. Sarjina is present right now. Very good, Farhana. Very good, Sarjina. Umed Ali is also present right now. Electro wave erase part sitting. Umed Ali, you have already written here the electro wave X rays produced in. I have not understood your question. You can write the question very carefully. Write down very carefully. Yes, I have got your point, but I have not understood your question. But this question will contain your chapter number 8, 12 physics, chapter number 8, 12 physics from electromagnetic waves. But you will have to write down the question very carefully. I have not understood. Okay, anyone have any more question? Otherwise, I will end the session here. Okay, so tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock. So this is, I have already told you. So this is Ramizul Akhtar. I have been teaching on the platform, India's largest learning platform, that is Unacademy, and this is my YouTube channel name. If you have not subscribed yet, then you will have to subscribe this particular channel. Yes, then Ramizul's UPSC, and you will have to share this particular channel link. And do not forget to hit the like button. So thank you. And we will meet in the tomorrow. I have one session. Tomorrow I have one class, morning 10 a.m. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. Tomorrow morning I have one class. 10 a.m. Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. I have one class. Okay, thank you and welcome in the next session. Welcome in the next session, that is tomorrow 10 morning 10 a.m. Okay, bye bye.